Hello guys, welcome to the new video, and today I will be showing you how you can use ChatGPT for the school purposes. Now, for example, let's say you have to submit an essay by tomorrow morning, but you haven't completed it yet. So what you can do is just go to ChatGPT and click on new chat, and then you will just enter your query right here. Let's say essay on Newton. Enter. Now you can also write like essay on Newton 500 words, so ChatGPT will work accordingly. And it's actually good if you are more precise with the details you want. However, if you think that's enough, you can just click on stop generating. And then you will just straight away copy it, and then that's it. Your essay is completed. Boom. It's just easy as that. And thanks for watching the video. If you think there are anything else I should cover in my videos, so just write down them in comments and I'll look into that. Thank you.